So today is Sunday. Friends, we are back again on the discussions of nurturing confidence, the extended session of the previous one in the channel Share and Learn by Vikas. Um, please go through these discussions, and if you like these discussions, please share with your family, friends, colleagues, near and dear ones, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for the further sessions. So to nurture our confidence, we need to do self-talks. Self-talk is a dialogue with ourselves which certainly make us self-assured. I have put up a couple of points for our discussions out here for a self-talk. Number one is how I prioritize growth over success. Success is a little competitive word. Success is a little comparison. How I am succeeding over others, how I am succeeding on my project over the other projects. So that little creates a anxiousness. Whereas if we change this word success to the growths, that is the own word. What we have done yesterday, how we have done today, how we are going to do it tomorrow. So good, better, best. And when we look at the growths of our projects, our work, whatever we are into it, then there is a likely chances that we may avoid this anxiousness and the competitive spirit is gone because we are not comparing with other, we are comparing with ourselves. The second step is that what steps we can take to gain and regain our growth. So then we have to identify that today we have done X, how we can do X plus one. So for that, what are the steps which we have to take in, which we have to take to regain our growths? Then how can we find inspiration and keep persevering? Inspiration is there. We have to pick up that inspiration. We have to choose that inspiration, and then how we persevere that inspiration, and what mistakes we can put behind. We do mistakes, and let's accept that we do mistakes. So just during the self-talk, let's identify that what mistakes we have done. If we are communicating something on a virtual network or maybe on a public speaking, what are the mistakes which we have done? What do I think that has not gone well? What do I think that this has gone well? So if these mistakes are identified and if we can put them behind, so that will also help us to nurture our confidence. Last time we discussed about the power statements. So yes, these are the power statements which I could put on the board for discussion. So first power statement is that let's have a self-talk to ourselves on a daily basis. And believe me, neuroscience has also confirmed that once we do a self-talk and we use a positivity around, then in a due course of time, I don't know what is that time is, maybe it's a days or months, but then if we do it regularly, there is a chances that we are able to improve our positivity within ourselves. So first statement is change is inevitable and good. So that reassures our self-confidence. Complete all important assignments today. I think this is very important. We know, but then what happens that we always procrastinate. So avoid procrastination. Complete all important assignments today only, which is to be completed today. This does not mean that we should not take breaks, but again, I'm saying that if we have decided some work for today, tomorrow, or maybe in the week's time, let's finish it off. That also helps us to avoid the anxiety. And the linking to this point is the second statement: be afraid and do it by all good means. That also helps avoid nervousness, as we just mentioned and discussed. So little be afraid, the time is running out, I had to complete, so let me prioritize this important work over the not so important work, and let us complete. And just believe that if you are able to complete all your important assignments of the projects which you are doing, then that relaxation which we get in our minds, and then the body and the confidence increases, and that will help us to nurture the confidence. Today is totally a fresh start that energizes ourselves. This is a quite a good slogans which is also going around to each other. But then have we spoken to us? Believe me, I have started doing this and I'm feeling a change. So please speak to yourself that today is totally a fresh start. Then I will move on setbacks completely. That reassures our skills. So this we have also discussed in our previous sessions, quite a bit of it. So let's move on with the setbacks. These are the power statements. If you practice, we will certainly be creating a positivity around, and that will help us to nurture our confidence. Thank you very much for watching this session and listening to this session. I'm sure if you like it, as I just mentioned, please share it with your colleagues, friends, families. Next, when we will meet, we will touch upon the topic of the conquering the confidence. That will be again an interesting discussions. Uh, so let's see each other on next Sunday. Thank you.